Yes, hello everyone, welcome back into this video and welcome back into No Max TV. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add a list of figures in Microsoft Office Word. Let's say you have added a table of content and maybe you have already added a list of table. You need to add a list of figures, or you are doing any kind of research, including academic research or other exploration research. This is going to be also requiring you to write or to put the list of figures that you have used in your research or in your article. So what you need to do, you need to follow all these steps to be able to do to add a list of figures. So remember to subscribe to the channel TV, like this video, share it with friends. If you have not turned notification button, turn it so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at No Max TV. Without wasting time, let's get started. As you can see, I have my MS Word document here. This is the article, and I have tried to add 3 images. I'm going to be taking these as a list of figures. What I have to do first, I have to make sure that I leave the space where I have to add a list of figures. I can start by pressing Ctrl Enter to leave the page that I'm going to be adding a list of figures. You can see. So after doing this, I'm gonna be inserting the captions. I have to click on the first image and go to you can see, if I come here, you can see this is the image. You can be able to customize it, crop it if you want it. But also I go to, if I go to reference and click on insert captions, also this is figure number 1, and I have to say maybe it's work remotely image. So after this, I'm selecting where it is gonna be added. So it's below. You can see it is now added here below my image. I go to the second one, which is this. So let's try to mix them so that they are gonna be different. Yes. Okay. So work remotely image, and I take this one, put it somewhere else. Let's add it here, and also go to the second one, which is, and add the captions. Click on reference again, insert captions. So now this is gonna be simulcast image. So you can be adding different captions, depends on what you want to be presenting. After this, I have to add the third one, insert caption, and add 4G to 5G to 5G transformation. So you can add whatever you want. It all depends on the captions you want to be adding and what you want to be meaning. After this, what I'm gonna do at the top is to add the list of figures. To add the list of figures, I have to come to this first page I have left, and also I have to click on you can see I have this list references as well. I have to click on insert table figures. When I click on insert table figures, for instance, if I click on it, you are going to see table figures. Here I have to choose whether it's the figure number 1, figure number 2, figure number 3, so figure number 4. Here you see they are showing either it's a question or either it's a figure. I have to choose a figure. Now I'm going to be clicking on a figure. So I use hyperlinks. If you use the hyperlinks, that means someone can be able to click on the list of figure you have identified and be able to get direct to the platform or to get direct to the figure directly. So I have to use a hyperlink, then click on it. Once I click on it, I can be able to customize it. So of course you understand that you need the title. So you understand that you need a title. You can type a list of figures. Now what I need to do after having a title, you can be formatting it into the form of a heading, because you're gonna be maybe having it in the table of content. So let's add like this one. Okay, it's heading number 2. Okay, let's make it as heading number 3, and also go to references and again insert list of figures. So then you click OK. So we're gonna be having SIM cards image 4G. Oh yes, you're gonna be seeing that it has come here. So it all shows, depends on how you have already highlighted it and hyperlinked it. So thank you for watching this video. If you come to these pages, you can, we're gonna be seeing how it is already identified and how it is marked there. If you are seeing this deprecation, you can see 1 1 2 2. It is now depends on how you have also highlighted it here, but the process are the same, and you can be able to choose all the process and be able to accomplish this. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like the video. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in a comment section.